Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. On August 12, 2021, Royal Malaysian Navy carried out a rare demonstration of its anti-surface capabilities in the South China Sea. And this was done with the firings of 3 Exocet missiles. This is something which has been shared by many news sources, but I thought of just providing details on the 2 different types of anti-ship missiles which were fired by Malaysia. Out of 3 missiles fired, 2 of them were surface-launched variants and 1 of them was submarine-launched variant. To be more precise, the surface-launched variant was Exocet MM-40 Block 2 missile and submarine-launched variant was Exocet SM-39 Block 2 anti-ship missile. The surface-launched anti-ship missiles were fired using 2 Kasturi-class corvettes which were KD Kasturi and KD Lekir. The submarine-launched anti-ship missiles was fired using the KD Tun Abdul Razak Scorpion-class submarine. So what actually is an anti-ship missile? An anti-ship missile is a guided missile that is designed for use against ships and larger boats. Most anti-ship missiles have sea skimming capability and many use a combination of inertial guidance and active radar homing. Let me give more details about the missiles which were fired by Malaysia. The Exocet is a French-built anti-ship missile whose various versions can be launched from surface vessels, submarines, helicopters and fixed-wing aircrafts. The Exocet missile is built by the European missile company MBDA. These compact missiles are designed for attacking small to medium-sized warships like frigates, corvettes and destroyers. It can also be used to destroy larger vessels such as aircraft carriers with multiple hits. The speciality of these missiles is the way it travels till the target. When the missile is fired, it travels at a very low altitude by staying approximately 2 meters above the sea surface, and due to this, the air defense is not able to detect these anti-ship missiles. The Exocet missiles have a range between 70 km to 200 km, and the submarine-launched version places the missile inside a launch capsule. These missiles are guided inertially in mid-flight and turns on the active radar late in its flight to find and hit its target. So that was a quick video on the 3 anti-ship missiles which were fired by the Royal Malaysian Navy using their Kasturi-class corvettes and Scorpion-class submarines. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation updates. Thank you.